The Kalapati dance, meaning dove in Ilocano, originates from Pagbugaw, Ilocos Sur. It symbolizes peace, love, and harmony, inspired by the graceful courtship of doves. Movements like bowing, circling, and cooing gestures reflect affection and unity. Traditionally, it was performed during gatherings and festivals, serving as a both entertainment and storytelling to preserve Ilocano culture. For costumes, dancers wear traditional Ilocano attire. Women use colorful blouses and skirts, while men wear shirts and trousers with sashes. The vibrant woven fabrics highlight Ilocano artistry and allow graceful movement, enhancing the dove motif. Materials are mainly hand-woven textiles, often paired with accessories like sashes or scarves. This showcase the craftsmanship of Ilocano weavers, passed down through generations. The dance music has three parts, A, B, and C, and may be in 3/4 time signature for flowing sequence or 2/4 time signature for livelier steps. In 3/4, dancers count 1, 2, 3, using the 3 foot before stepping. In 2/4, it's 1 and 2, creating a dynamic rhythm. The basic steps emphasize partner interaction. Couples stand about 6 feet apart, mimicking dove behavior through bowing, circling, and gentle stepping. Every movement begins with lifting 3 foot and count 1, giving the dance its refined elegance. The style is subtle yet expressive, embodying love, respect, and harmony.